Hello guys, this is AB Anasara Blogs. Actually, I'm trying to share the different method of creating this snap thing using the snap, and I will say I want to share the experience of going inside the HCL Tech company. So, as I said in my previous videos, that the company form in Microsoft form is fake, but in my second video, which is going to come soon, or already in the YouTube channel, I said it is real. The point is, it is a real post, but my experience as going inside is so different actually. How I will say is, we have to travel to Chennai office outside. They have two or three branches, and you know, they have the gate one, gate two, gate three places, and in gate one only they are interviewing. In that, they allowed us to go inside after showing our Aadhaar card, and in Chennai actually it happened, and we have to get your ID card in orange like that. I don't get the screenshot or photo because of the negative things that happened, and I went inside after getting that ID card and fill up the form that I. One more thing I want to share is the most of the COVID times in 2020, the COVID time attack, right? Most of the companies changed the rule of hiring process, and I want to mention it from the start. It's not the company's fault, and it's also the growth fault also. And you may say that why most of the freshers and the graduates people with a lot of courses from private companies are not hired by more high level companies is due to this COVID time. Most of the layoffs are coming and going, right? So this is also the one of the reason the companies are rejecting most of the freshers to avoid the training, and they want a immediate working people, and they don't want to spend money on the trainees or the candidates. Not every company is doing this mistake, but most of the companies are doing this. Even HCL is not hiring freshers due to these issues, and we have to wait and see, or we have to change the career path until everything is settled between the companies because of this COVID issues. It's what's told by my elder cousin, the relative who was working in the IT sector, the corporate sector also. So I hope it is a useful video, which I said as a fake company blog like that, and later I found out it's real. So the point is, I get inside with the orange color ID card, and I went inside to see the tower 3, and instead of going to the tower 3, they pointed out another building which don't say any tower 1 tower 2 thing, and I went inside to find the cafeteria, and mostly in online also they said it's a cafeteria place like that. That's why I misunderstood that it's a cafeteria, not the real hiring place like that. So I went inside to find candidates, more candidates like experienced and no experienced people. It's a worthy experience actually. From going there only, I understood one thing. What I understood is, by going inside, the HR and the candidates, experienced candidates, non-experienced candidates, are standing in the cafeteria canteen actually, and asking questions like that. It was in first floor. In down floor, most of the people who are working there are their relatives, working relatives are eating there in the ground floor. In the first floor, they are interviewing by standing, and two peoples or three peoples. One interviewer is standing, and as a guide, I think. Other interviewers, two people are also guide, I think, and they only speak in English. That's the most realistic thing. And you may know that they are asking about other things. They didn't ask about schools or college mostly. They only asked if you have experience in other startup companies. In if it is a Java full stack, I must create a Java project. Did you ever create a Java project with 6 months or 1 year experience? They asked. If you are my follower or my subscriber means, you may know I only created based on the Python projects and only get this data science internships like that. At first I misunderstood and submitted my form by thinking they also hire for Java. And I also know the Java basics, as I they mentioned that 2023 2024. I also misunderstood, and my elder also misunderstood that they are also hiring the freshers, and they are not hiring the experience. They mentioned that the experience are only the thing, but they also mentioned that the year of completion degree, like that, right? So we got confused by that. And when I asked the HR guide thing peoples, and they said no, we are not hiring any people without any experience. That's how they mentioned. And they frankly told that if you are a fresher, you can ask someone else in other side where they are hiring freshers, or you can leave. It's a frank answer, like that they said. After that, the other side I went in the cafeteria, I mean the canteen. They also the people who are the experienced person, also the candidates, right? We asked some of the 2022 and 2023 2024 graduated peoples, asked that 1 year experienced people who are sitting in the other side of the canteen. And they also mentioned that they are only hiring the 1 year experienced people, not the no experienced people with no experience in creating projects like that with the referral letter. So we don't have any referral letter actually, or recommendation letter via the other companies. So I had to leave. I don't know about the other people who came yesterday to ask about this. And also don't know whether they get hired or not, or left like me. So I think even in the form also they mentioned 2023 and professional needed only. But why they have to mention that here? It's unnecessary. If they only want the 1 year experience, 2 year experience, mean they should have mentioned we only wanted the 1 year, 2 year experience. Then why they have to add the 2023 in that? That's one I don't get. Only the HCL company can give a valid answer about it. Because of this mentioning here about 2023 2024, my elder got confused that they are also hiring the freshers. And I was telling her, mom, they are asking about professionals, ma'am. So they are not hiring the freshers, only the professionals. So you need to carefully analyze it. They also didn't mention about it in their website also. And the form also they say it's a professional thing, professional hiring only. Why you are showing me this, like that I asked. But she's saying no, they mentioned 2023 and 2024 you have to attend this interview, like that they said. When I get there, they are saying that no experience means no other company experience with the referral letter means you are not selected. I actually said, if you still want to attend the interview, go on the other side. I don't know which role they are hiring for, or you can leave. it's my frank answer, like that they said. And the guide was talking in English only, and okay, like that I left. And in town also there is a madam who was the guide, like the head of the guide, I think. I talked her to with her too, and she also said no freshers are hiring. And I don't know, like why this is happening here. And with disappointment I left that place. But I called my elder who suggested me and explained about it. They mentioned 2023, 2024. Why are you saying like that? That elder is scolding me back. And I said, no, I already told you about this issue. They are only hiring for the professionals who have 6 month experience with certificate and referral letter. And they are not hiring any person without experience as a fresher. They don't hire. We have to remove that fresher thing by going for the other startup companies where they give certificate with referral letter to get into a company, or we have to get a referral letter from the college or school where we studied as a last. And we don't even they mentioned that we only wanted the project working people, not the people we have to train, like that they said, right? So even the school and college referrals also not possible. Only the working company referral recommendation letters are possible. And for that people, I am looked at the experienced people. Most of the people are preparing for the questions. One was looking at the papers given by someone to prepare, and that guy was preparing for it. I guess it is a consultant company services. And I don't know whether that guy gets that job or not, but I wish whoever had the experience have got the job. And when I came out, when I returned the card to the security guard, the green orange color ID card, and the other parent also there, and I just don't know where. I was talking to my elder again to confirm they are not hiring freshers. The security guards and the other parent also got shock, I think. And they said that oh, they are not hiring for freshers, but they mentioned 2023, 2024, like that they said. No, auntie, they are hiring for professionals only, not freshers, like that after said. And I left, and my elder also shocked to hear that. And we left the company site and gone out. And the most of the side in Chennai changed a lot. In my childhood, I visited the places. Most of the places have changed due to this flyer bridge actually, and they are still constructing the bridges. It's nice to see, but it's hard to travel. Even the price of auto and the taxi and cab all become huge. In my place I give 100 means. In Chennai we have to give around 300 or 500 rupees for long traveling. So we have to do a vlog about that Chennai changes in next video. Thank you.